Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send Giphy on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you need to do is to firstly go to your working space, and after that, you will be needing to have like the Giphy extension or integration. And to add it, you will be needing to go to your apps, and from there you will be needing just to click on add apps. Now you will be needing just to search for Giphy, and then you will find this one. So basically, if you didn't have it already on your workspace, you will be able to get here install or add. So let's just go to any other application and see an example. So as you can see, because it is not added, you will see this button add. So you will do the same for Giphy, and then it will take you to another page where you can integrate Giphy. Now, all we will be needing to do is to learn how we can use Giphy. So as you can see, to enable this integration or to start using it, you will need just to insert it with the slash command. That means you will be needing just to go to your messages and start using a slash command. So already you can find this run shortcut, which will do a slash, or you can simply do it manually, which is the easiest way. And from here, you will find Giphy. And basically, you will already have like other uh, commands, but all you need to do is just to type slash Giphy, and then you add the text of the GIF that you want to search for. So let's just uh, search for hello. So Giphy hello, and now it will give us suggestions of the hello that you would like. You will use shuffle. That means it will start like just searching for any hello GIF that you might want, and then you will need just to click on send. Another way to do it is to simply go like that, and from here you can find and share a GIF, and you click on it, and now you can search for it. So just type hello, search, and from here you will find many, and then you can uh, choose anyone. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.